Hello guys, Arbab is here. Hope you are doing well. Today I bring for you a 20 pip challenge calculated sheet where if you have a $20 and if you trade a 30 successful trade on according to this sheet, you will earn $52,000 after the end of 30 trades with $20 to $52,000. Okay, so let me review this one for you. So here we have a 30 trades 1 to 30 and we have a starting balance $20 only. Okay, so we are risking 23%. If we lose this trade, we got a loss of $4.50 and we are getting a profit of 30%. If we win, we will get $6. Okay, so our stop loss is a 15 pips, 14.3, 16 maximum. Okay, and our take profit is a fixed 20 pips. Okay, we have to take 20 pips and you will get easily on my giving signal that I am providing on my WhatsApp group. Later I will tell you. Okay, so here is the lot size, the main thing that we calculate and make these figures $52,000. Okay, make sure you will see this lot size and you apply on that. Okay, so now you see here we have number one $20. If we win, we got 26. If we win, we 34. And if we lose, for example, in the third level, if we lose, we go back to the second step down one step. Okay, remember that point. Okay, so consistency base you will do this. So first of all, you have to open the demo account and you can try that one. Okay, so don't worry about that. So now come to my this WhatsApp group. Okay, where I provide a signal where you can get easily 30 pips. Okay, so guys, I will tell you something. If I am giving a signal like this, you see I have two black lines with one red line. So in two black lines, you have to zoom, or sometime I write as well like this. Okay, so you have to zoom, and like here 19.18 to 1922.09, you have to take three entries. You have to divide your lot in three. For example, you are using this sheet, or you are using your own money, or you have $1,000, $5,000, I don't know. So you will take this, for example, this sheet, and you apply with $20 with this sheet on my strategy. Go to 0.03 and go to the calculator. Okay, 0.03 divided by 3, you have 0.01 lot size. You have to apply on the first level, on the mid level, on the last level. Okay, SL and profit. Okay, sometimes SL is 20 pips, so you do accordingly. Okay, so sometime you will not get a first level, maybe you get a half level on the upside, so don't worry, that trade for your pocket money. Okay, so otherwise if you get like this 1 2 3, you will consider as a 20 pips and you don't have to greed. Okay, remember my point. Okay, and if you are a ICT student, so you have to only and take out the liquidity on the left side. That's it. You will target liquidity on the left side. You don't have to be greed like this. Okay, and be patient. Many people are not patient. If they are losing, they are impatient, but they are winning, they are not impatient. They cut their trade and go side. Okay, so you need and one XNS broker and one MT5. So make sure you will get the link on the bio. This is the good broker with the good leverage for $20. You will get the link on the bio. Join with that and verify with that, and you get MT5. And once you get an MT5 on the Play Store iOS, you will see this is the screen what you look like. Okay, sell button, buy button, here the lot size, so you have to 0.1 like this. Okay, and then for example I give you the signal of 1912 and 1911, so just click on this button and you will get this blue line. Okay, click on SL and click on TP, sorry, click on TP. Okay, so you will get for TP green line. Okay, this one, and for SL you will get this yellow line. Okay, and if you want to do a manually, so make sure you will click this arrow and you will write accordingly what and their lot size and place the buy limit, sell limit, whatever that one. Okay, you can adjust and there. Okay, and once the trade going on, you can move your SL from moving like this. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, and you can delete by this one as well. So what is the next point? For the second entry, you have to do the entry SL and then TP, whatever that one. Okay, So how it's work, and like this you can delete that, as simple as that. Okay, I hope you learn how to take entries on my signals. So make sure you share with your friends. Once I get 1000 subscriber, I will share my strategy. This is my strategy, nobody will give you. Okay, this is my strategy with free of cost, no money in the future as well, no course in the future as well, free of cost. Use my strategy on your demo account. Remember, 20-30 pips I always write in every trade. What, remember, right, these one, read 30 pips, then close half your position. Okay, and break even. Okay, so if you don't know how to close your half position, you can comment, I will make video on that one as well. So make sure you follow all the step one by one. Thank you very much. If you learned something on this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you're watching on TikTok, make sure you thumbs up that one, like, and join our community on WhatsApp group. Once we grow, we will share our strategy with you as well. So guys, you, for free, I will give you as well this sheet on the description below, and Exodus broker link as well. So join accordingly. Thank you very much. Goodbye.